The ALCOLIMIT AlcoTrack is Australian standards approved. It provides high accuracy and is suitable for workplace use. The ALCOTrack comes with 2 AA batteries, a protective carry case, 3 standard clear mouthpieces, a recalibration reminder service card and a user manual. Insert the alkaline batteries. Hold the power button for 2 seconds. The number in the top left corner is the number of uses, and the number in the middle is the number of days left until recalibration is due. Insert the mouthpiece and blow when the device says start blow until you hear 2 beeps. You can look through the settings of the ALCOTrack by holding on to the power button to turn on the device and then holding the menu button. To click through the options, press the menu button and press the power button to enter into that option. To get a graph of the last 10 results, simply press the menu button after you have tested your BAC on the device.